Hi all you lovely people, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy and welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm Kshitij and I love creating DIY, home decor, art and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm participating in the Flower of the Month challenge hosted by Deanna from the Crafting Magnolia and Annie from Indiana Jones. Both of them are super talented and create beautiful DIYs. I have linked their channels down in the description box and also the playlist for today's challenge. Don't forget to watch the other creators playlist to get some serious crafting inspiration, and also if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun DIYs coming very soon. So let's get started. For today's challenge, the theme was Flower of the Month, and February has two bird flowers, violets and primroses. So I decided to create a crepe paper primrose terrarium. To start with, I took some crepe paper in floral colors, green tape, thin wire, school glue, scissors, and a terrarium jar, and even a mason jar is fine. I cut a thin strip of pink crepe paper and marked 3 centimeters and started folding it around the mark like so. Once done, then with the help of a ruler, I marked the measurements for the flower petals. That is the total size that I need for the petals is 2.5 centimeter by 1 centimeter. That means the total length of the petal will be 2.5 centimeter, and the base of the flowers width will be 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter will be the base of the flower. You can follow along the design pattern to understand the measurements that I have taken. It's very simple. I've just made a small a little 1 centimeter base and then a little heart shaped petal on top. I then sketched the flower pattern and cut it in shape. Then I separated the petals and cut it into 2 halves like so. Then very gently I started separating the petals individually. Once the petals are separated, I took a white jelly roll pen and started making these little patterns to imitate the inside of the flower like so. You can use yellow or orange color sketch pen also to do this. It majorly depends on what color your primrose is, and you can choose any contrasting color according to the petal that you have chosen for the primrose. Then I took a small wire and folded it on top to make it into a loop, and then I took some school glue and put it at the base of the flower petals like so. And I'm using very less glue for the flower petals because I don't want the crepe paper to just tear off because of the excessive glue. So just with the help of a little tip of the bamboo skewer, I am placing the glue to the base of the petals so that I can glue them to the wire. Then with a very gentle hand, I'm trying to glue the petals to the wire. I'm just putting the petal to the wire and folding it inwards, and then in the similar fashion I'm gluing the other petals also, just ensuring that the two petals are overlapping a little bit. I glued 5 petals together to form a primrose flower like shape, and then I flattened out the flower a little bit because generally the primroses are flat in shape, they're not very curled up. Primroses are pretty flat flowers, so I just tried to make them into as flat as possible. Then I cut a green tape and glued it to the wire to make the stalk of the flower like so. And this is how my little primrose flower looks after it's complete. Similarly, I made other flowers in the same fashion using the same measurements. That is the 2.5 centimeter total length, 1 centimeter for the base of the petal, and 1.5 centimeter for the actual the heart shaped petal from the neck of the petal. And this is how all my primroses look after they are complete. Now to arrange them into a terrarium, I took a small terrarium jar. You can take a mason jar or any kind of pitcher or small jar or even a fish bowl. I laid the jar with some garden rocks, and on top of that I added some green garden moss. You can choose whatever decor you have at hand. Since the flowers are fake, they are not real, you can use any kind of base for your terrarium. And you essentially don't need to put rocks and then soil and then a little bit of charcoal as we generally do for terrariums. But because this is a fake terrarium, we can just put ornamental stuff and it looks absolutely beautiful. Finally, I started placing my flowers one by one. To equally space the flowers and to fluff them up and flatten them up a bit more, I used a small skewer. And this is how my terrarium turned out. So simple and easy to make, and I think this is going to last forever and doesn't need even a drop of water. To add some more details to it, I added these little plastic butterflies on top of the terrarium to just enhance the entire look. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm just loving it. Finally, I hung the terrarium jar onto its stand and it's ready to decorate my space. Let me know in the comments below how did you like this video today, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for more DIYs coming soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Take good care of yourself. Happy crafting and bye bye.